guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ego Trippin' and I am back with another video. So today I'm coming to you guys. I want to show y'all 3 mystery bags that I bought from the Ipsy Add-ons. And let me see, was it? Oh, we got one add-on Glam Bag Plus. Yeah, we got one add-on Glam Bag Plus, and then we got 2 Ipsy Glam bags. So if you guys are interested in seeing what these items were in these mystery bags, then let's get on into it. So all right, so here's one of the bags. Did they come with cards, y'all? I don't know if they came with cards or not. I'm not sure. But anyways, here's one of the bags. This is a really, really cute bag. I like this bag. I do. This is really a cute bag. Like, I'm really starting to like these bags. But y'all know I really, really, really want to know what's in this bag, okay? Don't care about the bag. I want to know what's in the bag. So let's see what we got. Okay, so the first item in this bag is the Juice Beauty. And I did receive a product like this before, so we definitely going to put that to a side, okay? And this says SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer. Broad spectrum. I don't even think I used the first one that I had. So yeah, this is the Juice Beauty, the organic solution, and I do have one already. Let me quit being lazy and show y'all the damn box, the item. So here it is right here, and I have received one. I haven't used it. Did I try? I might have tried it, but I don't know. But yeah, this is that. The next item in this bag is the Sinage Glow to Go. And these are, it says Glycolic acid peel pads. It instantly renews skin for a burst of radiance. I really don't know what these are, but there's some type of pads. I think they're makeup wipes. I don't know. They might be. I need to try it. These are the makeup pads. I don't know. Y'all know what these are? These makeup wipes? I don't know, I've never seen them before. And I don't think there's a card. It might be in the bag, but I don't know what these are for. Acid peel pads. It says instantly renew skin for a burst of radiance. So, I don't know, maybe it's just to clean your skin. I don't know, but I'll try them out, maybe. So, all right, so that's that. Right there. All right, the next thing in the bag is this right here. And this is an Item Beauty product. So this is it's called a Lash Snack. She got some really cute packaging. I really like that. So this is a mascara by Item Beauty. All right. And the next item in the bag is this cute little brush. And it says Lay Down Looks. It's an MOTD brush. I love MOTD brushes. So there's that. Cool. And then we end up getting these face masks right here. So that's cool. That's okay bag. That's okay bag. Not bad. I got 2 skincare products, and then nah, this wasn't no okay bag. Here, what am I talking about? So with this mystery bag, we got 1 makeup item, well, 2 makeup items. We got a brush, we got the mascara right here, and then we got a mask, some pads, and some SPF. No, thank you. No thank you to this bag. I'm talking about this bag. This bag wasn't all right. I think I'm just really I'm starting to desensitize myself to these bags with all the damn skincares and repeated items. So this is that, all right? I didn't like that bag. All right, the next bag is this little glam bag right here. This is really cute. They got Ipsy right here. This is a cute little bag. It's cute. All right, so we have the Yensa's Super 8 Vibrant Silk Lipstick right here. Maybe this was supposed to go in there. I don't know. I don't know. This is pretty. That's really pretty. I like that. So it says Yensa right here. And it says Super 8 Vibrant Silk Lipstick. Oh, that's really pretty. I think I opened it the wrong one. That's pretty. There's the color right there. That's pretty. All right, we got the Smoothie Body Exfoliant right here. Next, we have the Real Her Confidence in My Glow. I don't know. I wonder if this is some good because I thought I was liking Real Her products, but I just don't like the Real Her palettes. I don't know about the Real Her. I know I don't want another palette from the Real Her. No shade, but that's just me. So this is a highlighter. That's cute. Uh-oh. So that's a highlighter right there. It does have a mirror. And let's see if okay, not bad. Even though I already had highlight on, but I like that. They didn't redeem themselves, at least on a highlighter, okay? Y'all know I go ham with the highlighter. Don't come for me. I always tell you that. Don't come for me. Do not come for me, okay? I love to be glowy. Y'all know that. Y'all know this, man. You know this. All right, I like that. That's cute. Okay, so we got one product that we really, really like. So that's cute. Okay. The next product, we have a Violet Voss single eyeshadow. The Glam Bag was better than the Glam Bag Plus. Maybe some of the items was supposed to go in there. I don't know, but I don't care. So there, let me see. There it is right here. And let me see. Just a little tan brown matte shade in there, like a tan shade. So that's cute. Okay. And I do love Violet Voss's palettes. I sure do. I sure do. All right, so that is that. I like that. And then our last product in this bag is the, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is a eyeliner. Right here. Bam. Nice tip. Pretty good, even though, yeah, I gotta learn how to start doing wing eyeliners because you sis here don't know what the hell she be doing. It's spelled, it's Jonteblu, damn, Jonteblu, ultra lasting formula. So I like that. Never heard of that company, but definitely can't wait to give it a try. So I like that. So that is it for that bag. This was a nice little bag. Okay, and then our final bag, I was tripping because look, y'all, this is how it came in the box. It didn't come like this. It was supposed to, oh yeah, it was 2 masks. I used this mask, so, and I definitely enjoyed this mask right here. So we got 2 masks that came in the bag. This big palette came in this little bitty bag. Or maybe it was supposed to go on the Glam Bag Plus. I don't know, but at this point, I don't care. But yeah, this is really pretty, and I love Violet Voss. It has a mirror right here, so that is so pretty. It's so pretty. And this is called Violet Voss Pinky Promise. So that is that. The next item is the PYT Beauty right here. I don't know what that is. It says Day to Night Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. 2 eyeshadow palettes. Okay, all right. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This is a bomb ass bag. I'm gonna have to start shopping with the mystery bags. Next, we got this lipstick right here, and they got it taped up. So I'm gonna just, is it a lipstick? No, this is a, I don't know, y'all. It's a tinted lip crayon. I don't know. A tinted lip crayon lipstick, I guess. So that's that. And last in the bag is this right here. And this is a natural goat milk hand cream and vanilla bean. Right there. So that's it. I love that bag. This was my favorite freaking bag. This is my favorite bag. We got some hand cream. We got the crayon lipstick, liner, lipstick, I don't know. We got 2 eyeshadow palettes right here. Now, whether it was supposed to go in the other bag or not, that is not my call. It came in here. And then we got our little mask. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that was a dope little bag. I'm gonna definitely start shopping, doing a little mystery bags. Or whatever you want to, I think they call them the mystery bags. So yeah, that's it. Y'all, that's what I received in all these little bags. Got this, we got some cute little stuff. And I think this was, like these were $13. And I think this was $30. Was this $30? I think this was $30. Anywho, that is it for this video, y'all. Let me know, did y'all enjoy that? Like, do y'all want me to do more of these? Because I did enjoy these. I enjoyed looking at these bags. Especially since I don't know exactly what I'm getting. Like, I don't know nothing. I don't know what I'm getting at all. I'm gonna start getting more little mystery bags like that from Ipsy. I enjoyed that. So that is it for this video, you guys, for watching. I appreciate y'all so much. Please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to me. And that is it. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you didn't like. Let me know what you're doing. Let me know what you're drinking. Let me know what you, no, I'm just playing. Yeah, y'all comment down below and let me know what you think about those items. And let me know, have you tried any of those items? Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much. I am done. Let me go so I can eat. Okay, I need to eat. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm ego tripping. And I'm out. Bye, y'all.